This is Jim Bosco with Career.u.copia, your career information channel. Today we're talking about computer numeric controlled manufacturing, also known as CNC. Today most of the parts manufactured are by CNC, but they are fast, accurate, and produce a quality product. A part that a machinist would make in 2 hours using mills and lathes, a CNC can produce in 2 minutes. Training in this area is either an AAS degree or certificate. The hourly medium range is over $18 an hour. Projected job growth is much faster than average, which means that the job outlook is bright. Information on this or any other career field can be found at www.onetonline.org. If you have any requests on a particular career field, contact Career.u.copia.
Back off, knock it off, back in, see how close I am to that. To see if I'm varying too much. If I'm varying like 5, 10 thousandths, then I'm doing something wrong. But if it's 1 or 2, whatever. Typically,
And we'll run it back the other way.
and then that's when I'll hit stop, park for a second, and then move on to the next one. But they all do on that, so once big 3 indicates that vice, we'll have you all set.